Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. You will see restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and select specific app from here. After select app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and click on reset mobile network settings and click enter your phone pin. Click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.